Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to add a video background in Framer. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open Framer on your PC and go to your project. Now click on the Insert option at the top. From here, select Video and choose the video file you want to use as your background. Once the video is added, adjust its position and size to cover your entire section or frame. Next, scroll down to the Fill option if you want to overlay a color on top of your video. You can select any color or adjust the opacity for a cool blended effect. You can also upload your own image or texture from your library for extra creativity. And that's it. You've successfully added a video background in Framer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more design and tech tips.